Olive oil. Olive oil is made by pressing olives and is widely used in Mediterranean cooking. It comes in different grades, with extra virgin being the least processed and most flavorful. This oil is often used for dressings, sautéing, and light frying. Its taste can range from mild to rich and slightly bitter. It has been used for thousands of years and remains a staple in many kitchens. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is a general term for oils extracted from various plants, often a blend of sources like soybeans or corn. It is commonly refined to have a neutral taste and high smoke point. This makes it suitable for frying, baking, and everyday cooking. It became popular for its affordability and versatility. Many households rely on it as a basic cooking oil. Canola oil. Canola oil is derived from the seeds of the canola plant, a type of rapeseed bread for cooking use. It has a light flavor and a relatively high smoke point. This makes it useful for frying, baking, and sautéing. It became widely used as a more neutral alternative to stronger tasting oils. Its mild taste allows it to blend easily into many dishes. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is extracted from sunflower seeds and is known for its light texture. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for frying and high-heat cooking. The oil is often refined to remove strong flavors. It is commonly used in both home kitchens and food production. Its clean taste makes it a flexible choice. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is made from the flesh of coconuts and has a distinct aroma and flavor. It can be solid at room temperature and melts when heated. This oil is often used in baking, frying, and certain traditional dishes. It has been used for generations in tropical regions. Its unique texture and taste set it apart from other oils. Palm oil. Palm oil is produced from the fruit of oil palm trees and is widely used around the world. It has a semi-solid texture and a mild flavor. This oil is often found in processed foods as well as cooking. It became popular due to its high yield and stability. Its use is common in both home and industrial settings. Peanut oil. Peanut oil is made from peanuts and has a slightly nutty flavor. It is often used in frying because it can handle high temperatures. This oil is common in Asian and deep-fried dishes. It provides a subtle taste that complements certain foods. Its stability under heat makes it a reliable choice for cooking. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is extracted from sesame seeds and is known for its strong, rich flavor. It is often used in small amounts to add aroma to dishes. This oil is commonly used in Asian cooking. It can be found in both light and toasted forms, with the toasted version having a deeper taste. Its distinct flavor makes it more of a finishing oil than a base for frying. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is pressed from the flesh of avocados and has a mild, slightly buttery taste. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for frying and grilling. This oil has become more popular in recent years. It is often used in both cooking and salad dressings. Its smooth flavor makes it versatile in many recipes. Corn oil. Corn oil is extracted from the germ of corn kernels. It has a neutral taste and is often used for frying and baking. The oil became widely available as corn production increased. It is commonly found in both home kitchens and food processing. Its mild flavor allows it to be used in a wide range of dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these inventions, make sure to like the video and leave a comment below with the invention you want explained next. Subscribe for more simple, clear breakdowns of the world's most important ideas and machines, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.